guys, Dave from Dave's Boy Shopworks here, and we're picking up where we left off with the 318 build for Brookes lunch truck. For those of you that saw the last video, we left off pretty abruptly, but we had other things we had to take care of. So I checked the main bearings, and as long as the rod bearings are okay, we are going to go ahead and put a new rear main seal in it. We got our gasket kit, and then we're going to torque everything down, set the oil pan on it, and get ready to flip it over and start cleaning surfaces to get the heads back on. Not bad. A little bit of dirt, obviously, tiny bit of wear, and these are good serviceable bearings, which they are date coded 1992, and they're standard bearings. So no machine work done on this crankshaft yet. Okay, so I know I only showed you one. I'm going to go through the rest. Make sure they're all good, no surprises, and then get ready to torque everything down. Once that's done, I can put the new rear main seal in, torque the main caps, and we are good to go. Alright, so due to having some music in the background, I enjoy, of course, listening to music while I'm working on stuff on a beautiful sunny day. But I basically couldn't use any of the audio from this without making it completely garbled. So in short order, here I am installing cam bearings. Now I already torqued up all the main and rod bearings. I checked the rear main seal and did not replace it. It looked actually fairly new, to be honest. So there's no wear on the crank for the rear main seal surface area. I'm happy. So the cam bearings, however, when I pulled the roller cam out, they were pretty rough looking, a couple of them anyway. Lots of little chunks missing. Sure signs that they're deteriorating. Sometimes lack of oil change, sometimes it's just age. The engine's almost 30 years old, so good time to put in a new set of cam bearings, and they went in pretty lickety split. I've done several sets before, and my cam bearing tool works good for how I like to do it. But basically, I mean, this is kind of where we're going to leave the video at the moment. Just so busy on so many different avenues of still trying to get the ranch, as my stepson calls it, in some semblance of order for the winter time here. And anyway, guys, I hope you keep following along, and catch us on the next video here real soon. Thanks very much. Take care.